Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can share a page inside your Microsoft Loop workspace. So let us dive into this. In the first step, navigate to Microsoft Loop. In the second step, navigate to Workspaces on the left hand side, and in the third step, select the workspace you would like to go with. After that, in step number 4, select the page from that left menu here. And in the final and fifth step, guys, click into Share here in the top right corner of the open page and select what type or what item you would like to share. You can share the entire workspace, for example, to give invited users access to, as you can see, all items and pages inside the workspace. But you can also share only the given page by selecting Page Link. Wait for that menu to finish loading. Give it the permission to do that if necessary. And after that, the shareable link will be copied to your clipboard so that you may now, for example, close that window here or navigate to accessibility settings if you like to select the accessibility here. But simply clicking to apply here, and after that, you will be given the opportunity to share the page to your friends and contacts and co-editors to invite them to access that page inside their Microsoft Loop account to work with you on that page. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.